First is aloe vera. They contain vitamin A, C, E and B12. They have an antioxidant effect, helps in repairing sun damage, slows down aging process. They have 98% water, which helps in moisturizing, soothing and hydrating skin. And it makes skin more flexible. It contains 75 nutrients, 12 vitamin, 18 amino acids, which are very essential for healthy hair growth. It has same pH level as your scalp and hair, hence helps to restore the pH balance of scalp and hair. Reduces scalp inflammation as it contains fatty acids and helps in soothing scalp irritation, bruises and redness, and repair damaged scalp tissue. Rejuvenates dry scalp and hair. It acts as natural hair cleanser that helps you remove dead skin cells, excessive sebum, dirt from scalp, hair and fight dandruff. It has antipruritic properties and proteolytic enzymes which relieves from itchy scalp conditions. It softens your dry and frizzy hair. It has antifungal, antiseptic, antibacterial properties. It curbs hair fall and improves blood circulation to hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. Second is glycerine. It acts as a humectant and allows skin to retain moisture, an emollient which can soften skin, keep skin young, reduces acne, and it's a gentle way to exfoliate, clean and moisturize without any irritation. Third is vitamin E capsule, an antioxidant which prevents oxidative damage to cells by helping to remove free radicals. It has moisturizing and healing benefits. It strengthens skin barrier function. It has anti-inflammatory action which soothes and calms your skin. It helps in hydrating skin and effective natural barrier to sun. Fourth is rose water. It improves your complexion and reduces skin redness and puffiness. It's a natural hydrator, gives an instant refreshing boost and rejuvenating moisture to your skin. It balances skin natural oils. It provides nutrients to your skin. It prevents fine lines and wrinkles. It unclogs pores of your skin, temporarily tighten the look of your skin, giving you firm and plump look. Fifth is rice powder. It contains sun protecting agent like ferulic acid and allantoin which convert it into a good natural sunscreen. It maintains and repairs the skin. It acts as a natural barrier. It protects against pollution and free radicals. It soothes the skin and it tightens your skin pores and tones your skin. Sixth is turmeric or haldi. It contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatory components which provides glow and luster to the skin. It revives your skin by bringing out its natural glow. The critical antioxidant curcumin in turmeric has time-tested benefits. It is antiviral, antifungal, anti-carcinogenic, antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and mutagenic properties. It helps in reducing the appearance of stretch marks as the antioxidants in turmeric penetrates into skin and improve the function of the membrane cells. The potent antioxidant properties of curcumin prevents free radicals production and helps in controlling early signs of aging. Nourishes the skin, deeply hydrates and speeds up the process of removing dead cells from the skin. It helps in reducing appearance of dark circles, also stimulates blood circulation which helps in reducing puffiness of eyes. Fights acne, reduces redness and swelling of the blemish. Brings out the natural glow, reduces dark patches and even out the skin tone. Seventh is milk. Lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E and K and protein in milk makes it a mild exfoliating and hydrating agent. It acts as a good toner for skin. It helps in clearing dark spots, heal tanning and acne over time. And eighth one is onion. They provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair and thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Promote collagen production which helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. battle premature graying, treats scalp infection, helps in lice treatment, treat dandruff, and adds volume and natural shine. And ninth is cotton roll. For facial pack, the first one is for cleansing, that is made by adding 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and 2 teaspoons of raw milk. Mix them properly and apply it over the skin for 2 minutes. Massage them properly and wash. Second is for scrubbing. You need 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of rice powder, and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix them properly and apply them over the face for about 5 minutes and wash properly. Third process is steaming, and for that we need hot water and we need to take the steam for about 2 minutes. Now fourth is for face massage, and we need 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, uh, 1 teaspoon of glycerine, and 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it properly and apply it over the face and massage it for about 10 minutes. Next is face pack, and for that we need 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, and mix them properly and apply it over face and let it dry for about 10 minutes and then wash your face properly. Next is hair fall pack. For that we need 1 onion chopped properly, 1 cotton pad for application, 3 teaspoons of aloe vera pulp and 2 teaspoons of water. Make the mixture and drain it properly. Apply over scalp and keep it for about 1 hour. Apply this regularly for 7 days, then 3 times in a week for next 3 weeks. Then from next month, apply 2 times in a week for 6 months. From 3rd month, apply once in a week. I personally love natural products as they are very safe and not harmful for skin. Use all these at your home and see the results. And keep supporting me for further such videos. Thank you.